Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that has gained immense popularity for its simplicity and versatility. Developed in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum, Python emphasizes readability and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned developers. Its syntax is clean and straightforward, allowing programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code compared to languages like C++ or Java. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming, which provides flexibility in tackling various projects. The extensive standard library and a vibrant ecosystem of third-party packages enable developers to handle tasks ranging from web development to data analysis and artificial intelligence. Python's community is robust, offering a wealth of resources, forums, and documentation to support learners and professionals alike. As it continues to evolve, Python remains at the forefront, empowering innovation across diverse industries and fostering a culture of collaboration and creativity.